Hello. Oh, what's that? This is a farm where vegetables are grown and domestic animals live here. And you? What animal are you?
I am a goat.
Goat? Whoa, you have 4 hooves. Why do you need them?
I need them to run a lot across the meadows.
Oh, you have a beard. Why do you need it?
I need it to find and eat tasty green grass.
You have horns. Why do you need them?
I need them to push the branches and other goats.
And what are you doing on the farm?
I help the farmer.
Oh, cool. So, they have a job for you.
Where?
There. You need to push the tree, and apples will fall into the cart. Nice. Once more, please. Good job. Oh, it's a very strong wind. No, the tree fell on the road. God, can you help? The farmer can't get it out of the way.
This tree is stuck.
I can push it away by my horns. Oof, it is hard.
Come on, you can do this. Yes.
Oh, thank you very much, God.
And now the farmer wants to give you something tasty for your help.
Yummy.
It's cabbage, yours favorite.
I like to help the farmer.
Bye bye. See you.